reflect shape t in the line y equals to x. So easiest way, you must draw this line y equals to x. You know, y equals to x always passes through the origin. It will be like 1 unit right and 1 unit up. It should pass through 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3. So draw this line through this from the origin. You must draw this with the ruler. So this is the line y equals to x. Y equals to x. Now reflection is like a flipping the figure around this line. Look at here, this point, all the coordinates should be equidistant from the line. This point is a half unit away from this line. So I will draw this point. This point should be here, half unit away from this line. Now this point is 1 unit away, like this way, 1 unit away. So that point will come here. So draw all these points, 1, 2, and this point is half unit away from this line. So this will be half unit away. It comes here. Now this is a complete unit away from that line. You will see like that. Okay, so it comes here. That's it. Now let's move on. We will choose this point. This point is 1 unit away, complete unit. So it comes here. Then this is 1.5 unit. This point 1.5 unit. So half and 1 unit. That point comes here. Now this point, count the point here from this way corner. You have to take the distance from that line. This is 1 unit, then 2 units. So this will be 1 unit and 2 units comes here. So now the last point, this one is how many units away from the line? 1, 2 and half. Half. This is half, then 1 and 2. That one comes here. Now the last step, you have to join all these points like that. And here like that. So our figure will be like this. So this is the reflection about y-axis.